all about paying your VA, your virtual staff, your virtual assistants in the Philippines. Okay, so if you use VirtualStaff.ph, I'm going to talk about how you can do it on there. Why? Because, I founded it and it makes sense for me to talk about that because that's how I can most help you. So on VirtualStaff.ph, the beauty is once you send offers, you hire, you onboard, compliantly onboard your virtual staff, virtual assistants, you can easily pay your staff with the click of a button. So inside your dashboard, you're going to have options and you literally have a button there that says pay. It's as simple as that. And when you pay your staff, when you pay your VAs, depends entirely on you. So when you're onboarding your staff, when you send in the offer initially, you're going to put there the payment schedule. So whether you want it to be weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, you decide. It's entirely up to you. You're always in control of that. And then in terms of making the payment, as I mentioned there, it's as simple as a click of a button. Now, one thing I would say is, typically in the Philippines, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, similar to other countries in the world, is common. Make sure to pay your VA on time because you're going to build trust that way. You're going to keep everybody motivated, and it's just the professional and right thing to do. So from day one, just be very, very clear with your VA when salary is going to be released, when you're going to pay them, when the compensation is going to be paid, and stick to it. Now, so one piece of advice I sometimes give people is when you initially hire your VA, perhaps pay them on a weekly basis, and then you could maybe transition it into bi-weekly or monthly, or sometimes it's best just to set the precedent from day one and pay on the schedule that you're going to be doing moving forward. That way, it sets everything up nicely from the start. Anyway, I hope the video is helpful. I'm going to leave a link in the description of the video. It's just a short one because I wanted to really explain this to you and it is as quickly as possible. I'm going to leave a link in the description. It's going to take you to another page that's going to literally explain what I've just mentioned, step by step, so you can read it. You've got it handy for the future as well. I'll see you on another video. I hope this has been helpful. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll go to VirtualStaff.ph, go to our live chat support page, and you can ask our customer support department for any assistance that you might need. Bye for now. If you'd like to hire staff and build a team in the Philippines, then go to www.virtualstaff.ph, the Philippines outsourcing marketplace.